Today's video is a Sunday reset. I'll show you some decor items that I've added to my home for spring and more, and also all those little things that we do to get ready for the week. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Welcome back, and if you are new here, my name is Brittany and I do home and lifestyle here on this channel. That includes shop with me's for home decor, hauls, and homemaking videos. So if you're interested in that sort of content, you can hit the subscribe button below, and let's get into today's video. So as you can see, I've added a few decor pieces to my fireplace mantle. I got the garland from Kirkland's, the bunny from Marshall's, and I also picked up these two candelabras and the candles from the dollar spot at Target. They are the same height, but I have them basically tiered. One is on its own height, and then the other is like elevated with a little something that I put there. And I got the bead and carrot garland from Marshall's as well, but I love how this came out. I also added a little end cap to my kitchen counter, island counter. I wanted to do something more grand and go like more farmhouse with a black industrial type of rack that's longer that I can put heavier things on, like pots and pans and aprons and things like that. But when I was at the dollar spot, I figured I could save a lot more money and just do something really simple like this. All of these items are dollar spot items. I especially love this basket. It's an end basket, so it has the handle on the very end of the basket. It's especially for hanging. And I got the rack from the dollar spot and also the broom and the dustpan from the dollar spot as well, although I did get those last season. I am going to stick some flowers in this little basket once I find the right flowers. So I really love how this came out, and especially for the price, because everything was $5 or lower. Something else you could do instead, if you don't want to do the basket, if you do something like this, you can also put like a wreath there, a really small wreath. This is actually a really small wreath that I have, and I got it from Target, the Threshold collection, but I actually use this for my pantry for now. So I actually do want to stick like some little flowers on the end cap in this basket. So I really like that look better. Atop of that same island, I have this Lazy Susan that I got from Walmart. It's actually an entertaining Lazy Susan. It comes with little bowls to display food, but in the interim, I use it to store my little cake stand. And I usually keep cookies in here. But for now, I'm going to get out my little cutting board that I keep in the dishwasher. I actually got this one also from this was from the Walmart dollar shop. It's so handy. But I'm going to cut up some like little cereal bars to Fig Newton size and store them in the little cake stand. And it's just really nice to have this as a little light snack, a lot less sugary than having cake out or cupcakes or something like that. So I really like this. So the little stand, I got it from Home Goods. It came with the top and everything. And I keep that next to a vase that I got from Target long ago that I'm also going to be storing seasonal flowers in, next to the colander that I also picked up from Target dollar shop. Typically I store grapes in here, but we finished the last bunch, and so I have some Brussels sprouts in there that I'm going to cook. Lately, I've been buying these salads from H-E-B. If you do not have H-E-B next to you, I'm so sorry. It's the best grocery store I've ever shopped at, like just a regular local grocery store. But they have these meals called Meal Simple, and I save so much money buying the Meal Simple meals that I do, doing like other things like HelloFresh, or even a lot of stuff that I pick up and cook myself or shop, eating out. So this particular salad bowl only cost $7, and I've made like 3 salads from this bowl. So I add a little cucumber in it. I love to keep mini cucumbers in the fridge because they're so much more crunchier than regular cucumbers, including the English ones. I really like the minis, but you do have to eat them fast because they will spoil if you do not eat them pretty quickly. But I probably buy a bag a week, and I just like crunchy vegetables. My dad used to always call me a little bunny because I would chew on carrots and cucumbers. But yeah, I really like these salads. This one in particular is a Cobb salad. So it came with the blue cheese crumbles and a little bacon bits. Also had avocado and egg in there, tomato. It came with chicken. There was a lot going on in the salad. So lots of different options. And then I also picked up like a Greek salad, a chef salad, and a Caesar salad. And these are all large salads, like I said, $7 each. And if you stretch them by adding like some croutons and other little things, this could last you a full week easily in just lunches. So I really like these and highly recommend them if you do have a HEB by you. If not, maybe try your local grocery. And technically you could finish one of these salads in one sitting, but you can definitely stretch them. I know I like to eat small portions because I eat more often. And I get full easy, so this is just the way that I do it. But it's kind of like having meal prep, which a lot of people spend their Sundays doing anyway. So now I'm going to make my homemade croutons. Absolutely love this method. It's just fresh bakery bread. You can use any type of bread that you get from your bakery, but definitely fresh is the way to go. I just brown it in a little olive oil on both sides till it's crispy on the outside, but still a little chewy on the inside. It's like the perfect crouton. Trust me on this. I also like to make my grilled cheese this way, and I also like to make my bruschetta this way as well. It's so yummy. So I'm just going to top the salad with a little balsamic vinegar because I love that dressing, and a little grape juice. And like I said, this would be the perfect thing to pack up for lunch and just keep your croutons separate and your dressing separate. Now I'm going to put my son's car seat back together because I did take all the fabric off and I stuck it in the washer to get it all cleaned up. And it's been a while since I've done this. I hosed down the entire car seat outside in the yard with the jet stream after I had took all the fabric off. I'm so glad that I did this because once I put it back together, it looked like a brand new car seat. All the yucky stuff and crumbs and everything that little kids drop down in their car seats was gone. And so proud mom moment. This was so necessary and definitely something I highly recommend you do every so often if you're still in that car seat phase with your kid. Next on to laundry. I had some laundry that I had already started in the wash, and so the first load was dry and I took that out and also put the other load in the dryer because it was already washed, and then I'm going to stick another load in to wash as well and just restock. But if you've been watching my channel for a while, you saw that after I bought the house, I did a laundry room organization, and I talked about wanting to get a little piece that I can put in between my washer and my dryer. So I finally found the piece. I was at Home Goods shopping one day and saw a piece that I looked like I thought that it was going to fit, and when I got it home, it fit so perfectly. So I'm so happy, and it's a long piece, so it goes very deep. I don't have any waste. Well, I have a little wasted space in the very back, but not too much. And I just store like all of my Dyson parts and other little things like my iron and stuff that you need in your laundry room. So it's perfect to have a little extra storage. Also, fun fact, I got this cute little hamper by Pillow Fort for $5 at Target because it didn't have a tag on it and the sales lady didn't know how much it was, and so she just rung it up and said, hey, I gotta put something on it, so I'm gonna put $5. And I was like, thank you. I felt like I stole something. It was such a good deal. I got this hamper from Target as well. It's by Threshold. And if you look around my laundry room just in general, you'll see a lot of little pieces that are just from Target because I'm Target obsessed. But I want to find those little wooden scoops I showed you guys in a Target shop with me at the dollar spot one time, especially for my scent beads. It would fit perfectly in there because it was so small, but I've got to find it. And lastly, I just need to restock. I did pick up all my toiletry stuff in my last grocery haul, so that's just what I'm doing now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, you can give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more content like this. And you can also hit the bell notification. You'll be notified on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and bi-weekly on Sundays when I upload. On Mondays, I do shop with me at all my favorite home decor stores. On Wednesdays, I take you to Walmart. And on Fridays, I take you to Target, both to see what's new in home decor. And on Sundays, I bring you lifestyle and homemaking content, especially from the new house. So I hope to see you in another video, which might be somewhere on your screen. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.